No. Right, not going to be the most technically brilliant video, but I haven't seen many of these on YouTube, so I thought we could do a little first look at the new Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras in Lunar Blue. These are a bit of a bargain. These were directly from Bose themselves on their website. They were down to $349. I say a bargain, that's still a lot. But thankfully my better half is a teacher, so gets a blue light discount, which was another 15% off. So these were £297, which is a pretty good price for these. All the reviews I'd seen say they are probably a little bit better than the Sony XM5s. I was always a Bose man myself, really. I had QC45s before this, so holding the phone and trying to do this at the same time. So let's just see. Goldie, the guide dog puppy, has disappeared. So with Craig, I did it from the right end. So maybe she'll come back in a minute. Let's just get that one done there. I really want to see kind of what the colour's like for these. That's the key thing for me. That's very hard to do this one-handed. Why can't the puppy hold a phone? Here we go. Right. Leave that box there. This is the main box it comes in. Please play, pause, arrest. Funny, nice little Bose logo. What do you think, Goldie? These are going to be good? These are quite nice. She's not noisy at all. Okay, so we've got the Apple kind of style wrap. In the box, there's instructions, QR code. Okay, I shall do that in a minute. It's just, I want you to see really. I can, I'm not worried about this thing. Oh, that is a nice blue. So I was torn between this blue and the Diamond Edition. And I polled my sense of reason, which is my two kids who are at uni, both of them, and they all said the blue. I mean, I do like blue sweater. My home office is blue as well. Let's get this undone. Here we go. Oh, I haven't undone the zipper all the way. Here we go. Okay, nice. So these are the actual, okay, they fold nicely, which I like. That's a lovely blue, isn't it? I like that. Nice case. Okay, left and right, that's helpful, especially for my daughter, 23 years old and doesn't know left from right, at Cambridge University as well. Okay, so in here we get, okay, a 3.5mm jack, USB to USB-C, that's it, that's all we get. These are the headphones themselves. Let me just fold them. Yeah, nice. So watch this space for a bit more of a review later on. I like the Bose logo, like it nice. So there we go, Bose Quiet Comfort Ultras unboxing in the Lunar Blue. Thanks all very much.